Air hockey tables span a wide range of sizes, power, and features, from compact tabletop models to full-size arcade-style tables. For casual family game nights, a tabletop or small full-size table often delivers the best balance of performance, durability, and price. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 models that cover a broad spectrum of the market, with an emphasis on build quality, motor power.
List number 1. Serene Life 58-inch powered air hockey table. Upgraded 700 mA 12-volt 2X powerful motor. This Serene Life model represents a full-size arcade-style air hockey table with a 58-inch playing surface, a heavy-duty steel frame, inline power switch, and a battery-free digital LED scoreboard. The core differentiator is the upgraded 700 mA 12-volt motor duo, which the manufacturer claims provides smoother puck glide and more consistent airflow across a larger playing field. The package includes 4 pushers, 2 pucks, and a design that emphasizes adult and family play, with adjustable leg support and crossbar stability. Prospective buyers should note the dimensions, 54 inches long by 27 inches wide by 32 inches high, and the need for assembly, as well as the fact that price is not listed in the provided data, which can impact comparative value decisions versus other budget options. Performance-wise, the 700 mA motor setup should yield a stronger airflow than typical 350 mA configurations, translating to faster puck travel with less stalling on dense or warped tabletop surfaces. The inline power switch enhances child safety and reduces strain on wall outlets during extended sessions. The built-in puck dispenser and battery-free LED scoreboard offer a frictionless experience without battery maintenance. However, the table's plastic surface and engineered wood frame may introduce more vibration and creak over time compared to all metal frames at higher price points. Use case-wise, this table is well suited for indoor game rooms or family basements, where 2v2 play is common and where a more authentic arcade feel is desired.
List number 2. Atomic Avenger 8-foot air hockey table with LED scoring. The Atomic Avenger is an 8-foot, or 81.25 inches by 41.25 inches playfield, designed as a centerpiece for game rooms, featuring LED lighting along rails, in-game music, and a color-coordinated blue playfield. It includes glow-in-the-dark accessories, LED pushers, and puck to enhance nighttime play, and an illuminated exterior leg design paired with a polycoat sealed top. With a substantial 227-pound weight, it signals a robust, durable construction intended for serious play and hosting gatherings. Performance-wise, the combination of a large blower and LED-lit features make this model excellent for parties and longer sessions, where visibility and atmosphere are important. The light effects and music add a casino-like ambiance, while the 81.25-inch length encourages 2-player rapid exchanges and extended rallying. Assembly is required, and the heavy build means more room and a capable motor system. However, the heavy weight could complicate moving or repositioning. If you want an arcade-like experience with a dramatic visual presentation, this is a strong choice, especially for dedicated game rooms.
List number 3. Best Choice Products LED 54-inch air hockey game table with light-up scoreboard. A 54-inch standard-size air hockey table with an LED light-up scoreboard, a strong motor for consistent airflow, and crossbar leg supports with levelers. It targets families seeking a dependable, mid-sized option with onboard LED scoring and a reasonable footprint for most game rooms. The walnut-colored exterior and metal frame emphasize a balanced mix of stability and aesthetics, while the included components, 2 pucks and 2 pushers, provide immediate play out of the box. Performance-wise, the 54-inch surface offers solid 2-player play with steady air distribution, aided by levelers to ensure a fair game on uneven floors. The LED scoreboard enhances competition, though it lacks battery dependencies. The 60-day warranty provides a basic protection window for shoppers. This table is suitable for households that want a compact yet engaging option without the space demands of full-size tables, while still delivering a recognizable arcade-like experience.
List number 4. Air hockey table for kids, tabletop air hockey for children. This Gusso 38-inch tabletop model targets kids and casual players seeking an accessible entry point.
It emphasizes dual airflow using a 12V motor designed for continuous operation, a compact footprint 38 inches long by 19 inches wide by 9 inches high, and a complete kit with rotating LED indicators and manual scoring. The package includes 2 strikers and 2 pucks, and the padded leg cushions reduce floor scratches and improve stability on varied surfaces. This is a highly portable option ideal for tabletops, carpets, or small spaces. Performance-wise, the 12V motor is tuned for steady air distribution across a smaller playfield, enabling smooth puck glide and a lightweight, family-friendly design. The tabletop form factor naturally introduces some limitations in puck speed and durability, but for younger players or temporary setups, the Guso model delivers reliable fun with minimal setup. Setup is straightforward, making it a practical choice for households needing a low-commitment, portable game that can travel between rooms or be used on a table surface.
List number 5. Best Choice Products 40-inch portable tabletop air hockey arcade table for game room with 100V motor. This 40-inch portable tabletop model emphasizes portability and ease of use, with a 100V motor driving the airflow and a manual abacus-style scorer. The device weighs around 16 pounds, is easy to set up, and includes a puck return on each side, making it a straightforward choice for quick games or travel use. The compact 40 inches L by 20 inches W by 8.5 inches H size positions it as a true tabletop option suitable for tables, desks, or floors in small spaces. Performance-wise, the 100V motor drives a reliable airflow to support smooth puck movement on a compact surface. The Abacus score provides a tactile scoring method, though it lacks modern digital readouts. The lightweight design favors portability, but may sacrifice long-term durability and stability on uneven surfaces. This model is ideal for dorm rooms, offices, or travel-friendly setups where a quick, casual game is desired.